To figure out the right path for your future, I mean, this is a question that I think we will have at different points of our lives. And the first time would probably be around when you're leaving school. And, it's a tough question because there's no easy answer. And what I would say, the first thing that you have to do when you're trying to figure out what's right for you is to understand who you are. Right? So rather than, stumbling around trying to see what your friends or your family members are saying you to do, understand who you are. And how do you do that, right? So first thing, you can start by experimenting. Try things, go for new experiences. And that's how you figure out what you like and also what you don't like. Something that we find is a lot of students are very focused on exams, getting good scores, but they forget or they don't make time to try new things. And that's how you really understand who you are. And another way you can do this is through tools. There are so many online tools, from career testing to personality testing, that tells you what kind of person you are, what kind of things would be good for you. And this is all information to help you understand what really inspires me, right? So that's step number one, understanding who you are and what you like. And then it's also important you ask the right questions. A lot of the time, what we ask ourselves is, what job can I do? But really, you should be asking yourself, how can I earn my income? Do you see how the question changes everything? Now you're not thinking about a job, you're thinking about what you can do, and that's what's most important. And another thing when you're trying to build your path, a lot of people forget about this, is that you need to make connections. And we have a word for this, consequential connections. Because you need to find mentors, you need to find people who have tried things, speak to them, get their experiences. Sometimes you don't have to live the experience yourself, you can get shared experiences through stories. Understand and see who can open doors for you. So these are like main areas that you need to keep in mind. And you might not have a very structured path, and that's okay. Because if you know exactly every single step that you need to take, you're probably not living your path, but someone else's. So these are main areas that you can look at when trying to figure out what path is really good for you.